What's up, friends? So we just moved into a new house about a year ago, and we're making it our home by hanging up artwork and stylizing the spaces. We are quite minimalist, so we usually like to keep things simple, but in this room we're gonna mix things up. This is my home office. I'm often on calls, have a lot of things going on in here, and it's a place that I need to be inspired throughout the day. So we're working with limitless walls where you can upload any photo you want to their website and they will print it. So this huge wall you see behind me will be actually an ocean wave picture I took in Hawaii in 2017. So stay tuned to the process, what it looks like afterwards, and where you can get yours online. What's up, friends? Well, after about an hour and a half, 2 hours, I have finished my limitless wall. This is a photo, like I said, that I took in 2017 in Hawaii, and now it's in my office every single day and I get to enjoy it. 13 by 9 feet. This room has high ceilings, and I was able to do this with just one other person. Much easier than I expected it to be, if I'm being honest, because I've heard about the wallpaper stories and putting those kind of things up, and it can be quite tricky to get it right. This is done really easily. The material is super durable to work with, so you're not worried about it ripping while you're trying to put it up, which I think is great. Quality is there, the texture is there, and it's actual canvas. If you guys have any questions, please leave it in the comments. I'm happy to answer them. And the Limitless team, you guys are great. Thank you for setting this all up, and look forward to some of these folks seeing this video and following up with you guys.